Ex-Egypt President Morsi's martyr wife. Morsi did not die natural death. Turkish president. Protest in Egypt after absentia funeral for Morsi. US to send 1,000 additional troops for Middle East. Saudi shot down drone launched from Yemen's Houthis. US sanctions on Iran, economic terrorism, Rouhani. 3 injured as rocket hits US oil frames in Iraq's Basra. Kuwaiti Amir starts official visit to Iraq. Sudan ruling military ready to talk with opposition. Transition period to make Algeria time bomb expert. Yemen army moves to capture rebel held by the Pakistan, Afghanistan and UN agree on refugee repatriation.